In downtown Enid, Leonardo's Children's Museum is a place where art and science meet.
It's a piece of happiness in the middle of Enid.
Like its namesake, Leonardo da Vinci, the museum is designed to inspire young artists and scientists.
We are not a museum where you look at things, we're a museum where you touch things and you explore things and you play with things.
There are more than 100 hands-on activities inside the facility, beginning with the power tower downstairs, where kids can climb and slide. Then they can head over to the tinkering area.
Tinkering is very hands-on, but also very free-thinking. It's our free-thinking space. Make what you want, solve a problem, make something that will fly in the wind tube, work at the workbench.
Those with a mind for engineering can go to this space to build.
It's fun to watch them kind of problem solve and figure out what's working and what's not working.
There's also a giant light bright area where kids and parents can create larger than life designs.
She is very wiggly.
And then stop in to see these animals up close and personal.
We have got animals in there, mammals, reptiles, amphibians, invertebrates. We've got them all. And some children have never had the opportunity to meet some of those types of animals.
On the second story, the exploring continues with a huge space that almost looks like a small town. It's here where you'll find an investment center to learn about money, a grocery store, and even a dentist office. Artists can get inspired in the large art studio, all surrounding a city park.
Then when they start finding their way to the different pieces of the museum, you see lights go off, you see parents learning to play again.
When you're done exploring inside, head outside here to Adventure Quest, the world's largest community-built outdoor playground.
They can do just about anything out there.
The 3-story wooden castle features bridges, slides, swings, and mazes. In warm weather, there's also a sand dinosaur dig and water table.
In the outside space, they love going out there because it never gets old. There's so many facets to that outside playground that, they would stay out there all day.
Even children that have been here day after day after day for years still come in with that light on their face.
This is priceless for us. Small towns, a lot of time, they miss the opportunity to have places like this for children. So I feel very blessed that we have this to come to.
And share with the state and beyond. Discovering Oklahoma and Enid, I'm Deanne Stein.